welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious chocolate chip cookie made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chocolate chip cookie made at home, these are my ingredients. I have vanilla paste or vanilla extract, whatever you have at home, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt, 1 room temperature egg, 1 stick of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, and 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious chocolate chip cookies at home. So let's get started. I am ready to make these amazing mini chocolate chip cookies. Well, here I want to start first with the dry ingredients. I'm adding the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, the pinch of salt, and I am going to sift away. This part is important. You want to make sure that there's no lumps in your all-purpose flour. And now I am ready, of course, to add the chocolate chips. I am going to add my white sugar and my brown sugar, and now I'm ready to incorporate. This is very important. The combination of the white sugar and the brown sugar really make these cookies so delicious and so moist from the inside. And now, of course, I am ready to add 1 whole egg, ready to add my vanilla paste, 1 teaspoon or 1 splash. And now I'm ready to incorporate. Let me tell you, this cookie really comes out so delicious, and the batch is going to make about 20 cookies, just enough for you to enjoy, you and your beautiful family. Well, here I am ready to just incorporate. Once this is incorporated, I am ready to melt my room temperature butter, unsalted butter. Just put it in the microwave for just a couple seconds, not steaming hot. Just add it for just a couple seconds, and then you're ready to incorporate. Look at this. Of course, your best tool is going to be your hand. Make sure that your hands are nice and clean so that you could really incorporate all these dry ingredients and make a ball of your dough. Look at this. Because with the wooden spoon is going to take way too long. But make sure that your hands are really nice and clean. And of course, now this is the best part. Incorporating it by hand until everything releases from the edge of the bowl. And now I'm going to go back and I am going to use my wooden spoon to make the little circles of the cookies. Look at this. It's going to continue sticking. That's okay. No worry. I am ready to clean the surface, and then I'm ready to make my small little balls. I am going to make these mini cookies medium size. You decide how big or how small. But let me tell you, with this batch, you are going to get about 20 medium cookies. Yes, take your time because I know that you're going to love the texture, the flavor. You're really going to love this recipe. And when you bake at home, of course, you have control of how much sugar you add into your amazing and delicious baking goods. And now I am going to leave some space in between. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. They're going to go in the oven for about 15 minutes. No more, no less. You're going to notice that the bottom of the cookie is going to be slightly golden brown and the top is going to be nice and fluffy. Well, here the cookies, the dough is ready and I'm ready to put it in the oven. Remember, 15 minutes is more than you need. No more than that. And now they're coming out of the oven. Let me show you how they look. They really rise really beautifully. And of course, they're still on the baking dish. The baking dish is still really hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to transfer them to a wire rack so they start becoming to room temperature. This is very important. You don't want them to overcook. So I am going to remove them slowly, and I am ready to show you how they look from the inside. I can't wait to enjoy. This is a very delicious, a very staple cookie that every family should have in the cooking book. Yes, in a cooking book. Because once you enjoy it once, you're going to continue enjoying them. Barely golden brown from the bottom, and look how delicious. Oh my God, my mouth is watering. I can't wait to enjoy. And of course, how am I going to enjoy this amazing cookie? You could enjoy it with a cold glass of milk, or you could enjoy it with a delicious hot coffee. And here I am ready to put everything in the presentation plate. I am going to add my cookies here. I have another batch in the oven. And I am ready to show you from close up how beautiful these cookies look. And of course, like I mentioned to you, I am going to prepare an instant coffee. Nice and hot, nice and delicious. The evening is nice and cold, and I am sure I'm really going to enjoy this chocolate chip cookie with an amazing hot coffee. Yes. And of course, I'm going to add a little bit of the vanilla cream right on the top. And I am ready to enjoy these amazing cookies. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these amazing chocolate chip cookies. Of course, made at home with lots of love. But this is the part I really love and enjoy tasting. My recipes. Of course, this cookie is not sugary at all. It really comes out perfect. Remember, when you bake at home, you have control of how much sugar you add to your baking goods. Well, this cookie is really crispy from the outside, but from the center, it's really fluffy and delicious. And of course, I'm going to enjoy it with the coffee. Excuse me. So delicious. Excuse me. The cookie is so fluffy, so moist from the inside, and the outside was just nice and crispy. Well, let me tell you, you could start your day with this amazing cookie, or you could finish your day enjoying a homemade chocolate chip cookie. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these amazing mini chocolate chip made at home with lots of love. See you soon. Bye-bye.